All right, so guys, this is a problem here that one of our classmates asked, and it's the absolute value of 4y minus 9 is greater than or equal to 18. So when I'm doing these types of problems here, there's a rule, and it's in the notes, and it says something like, if the absolute value of y is bigger than or equal to a, then either y is bigger than or equal to a, or y is less than or equal to negative a. Okay, and so I'm going to kind of try to use this rule here to do this problem. So I'm going to think of this here as kind of like my y, and I'm going to think of my 18 as my a. So I'm going to set up actually two inequalities. Okay, so the first one I'm going to set up is going to be 4y minus 9 is bigger than or equal to 18, or 4y minus 9 is less than or equal to now a negative 18. And yes, we're good. Okay. So, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to solve each of these individual inequalities. So I'm going to go ahead and add 9 to both sides here. This is going to leave me with 4y is bigger than or equal to 27. So when I divide both sides by 4, I get y is bigger than 27 over 4. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. 4y is less than or equal to a negative 9. So I divide again by 4. And y is smaller than or equal to a negative 9 over 4. So I'm just going to copy these two parts on the next slide so I got some room. Y is bigger than or equal to 27 over 4. Y is smaller than or equal to negative 9 over 4. All right, first thing I'm going to do now, draw my number line. This is the smaller number, so it needs to show up first. This is the bigger number, so it's going to show up over here. Okay, since we have these little lines, these little equal to's, I'm going to fill those circles in. Okay. Now guys, I want to remind you, if I'm moving to the right, I'm going towards infinity, and if I move all the way to the left, I'm going towards negative infinity, right? And then all I need to do is shade in the direction of my arrow. So for this one, it's pointing to the right, so I'm going to shade this way. And for this one, it's pointing to the left, so I'm going to shade that way. And now when I write my answer in interval form, with the infinities, y'all, we always use a parenthesis. Oops. We always use a parenthesis. So negative infinity to, let's see, negative 9 over 4. Since that circle is filled in, I'm going to use a bracket. Then we start up again at 27 over 4. We go all the way to infinity. Again, with the infinities, I always use a parenthesis. And since these two parts are separate, we got to put the union. All it means is we're going to do this piece and that piece there together. Okay, y'all got any questions? Let me know. I'm happy to help.